Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Retina, and in today's video, we'll discuss how to design and build responsive HTML email templates. Responsive means that the design you're creating should be properly visible on both mobile and desktop devices. Whatever design you're making. Sometimes what happens is that because the HTML code of the design is not responsive, your design is visible properly on desktop. But on mobile, its fonts and other elements are displayed incorrectly. So, we'll create an HTML responsive email template with an excellent design. Before we begin, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so because I'll be posting videos related to email marketing and other website topics regularly. First, I'll tell you about 4 websites where you can get the HTML code after designing. This is the first site. You'll need to create an account here, then click on Create Project, select it, enter the project name, and click Create Project. Then go to Templates. As soon as you reach the Templates section, you'll see a sample template. Click on it. Once you click, the editor will open. You can edit whatever design you have as per your wish. For example, this is the content here. If I want to change it, I can write hello. Everyone, please subscribe. You can write anything you want. Some font options are given above. I can make it bold. Increase the size from here, and if you want to align it to the side or center, you can do so accordingly. Look at the sidebar here. There are many options given here. See how much space you want to give it from the top by clicking here, or from the right, how much space you want to give it. And look here, this is how it will look on desktop and mobile. On mobile, its width will reduce a bit, okay? With this tool, you can do whatever you want. From here, you can select any element and fill the color using your preferred tool. Okay, so I'll select the desktop view here. Below, if you want to use unsubscribed text, you can create that here and design it as per your wish. After that, they've provided different types of code. You can use this code, or you can go to Steam and turn on AMP here. AMP. When you Google AMP, you'll understand what it is. It's very good for mobile pages, so your responsive design will be better with this. Okay, so look at this. The code without AMP wasn't clean, but as soon as I turn on AMP here, you'll see that whatever code or comments you put here will be displayed properly when you click here. You can copy the code from here or extract it by saving it as a template. Simply select all and copy it, and whatever you want. There are software like Ultramailer, Advanced Mailer, and MailWiz that all support HTML, so you can paste it there. After that, there's this site called BeFree. On BeFree, you simply need to create an account and then click on Create a New and then create a new email. As soon as you do this, a lot of designs will appear. If I select any one design here, I'll first select this one and click Start Design. Okay, as soon as you do this, an editor will open in front of you. There are a lot of templates in it, so you can select a template from your options. Look here in the sidebar. A template has appeared here. Now I'll do this. I've done this, and if I want to give some color to text from here, I'll do that from here. And if I need to add a link or anything, I can do that. You can give color to it, okay? And then from here, do the same thing if you select it from above. Secondly, I select this here. This also has a lock/unlock feature. I think I shouldn't copy it. You can't copy it in some cases where the right click doesn't work, so that will be there. And after that, there are many other things here you can do as well. Basically, I wanted to show you how you can use these tools, okay? Here, you can increase the letter spacing of this text. See how it was before? Now look, the space between the letters is increasing here. And after that, from here, as you save it, after saving, look here, first send a test. After that, what you need to do is exit it again. As soon as you exit, you'll get an option here. You need to click on Export, and here's one way, get HTML and images. So what it will download for you are all the files. There's a file called Copy the HTML file. Here you'll copy the HTML code, so whatever code is there, all of it will come here, and you can also download it as an HTML file. So whatever code is there, by pressing Ctrl+A, you can copy all the code and put it in your software. Okay, this is the second site, and now there's the third site. This is Strippo, and here also you need to create a free account. Come here and click on Create your first email message. As soon as you do that, it will open the editor in front of you where you can edit. I'll do it again. Click, and there are many templates here. Select one, just like I'm doing. Select and wait a second. After selecting, the editor for the template opens here, and here also you have the same buttons for text, images, video, menu, banners, etc. You can put all these things here. For example, if you want to put some buttons here, or if you want to put a link on this button that has been made, you can add the link from here in the sidebar. The export button is also given right above it. From here, you can export it to different formats. You can do it here in HTML, PDF, Gmail, Outlook, and everywhere else. Look here for HTML, so you must do this. This will ensure that your design is visible on mobile and desktop and will be a responsive template, okay? Yes, and from here you can also use it in MailWiz. Here, basically, you'll have to put in the API, etc., so that will be exported and will start showing in your templates. Similarly, you can create a design in it and get the HTML code. And after that, there's this tool. In this tool, there are the same things. You have to create an account and simply click on Create Template here. Then the same templates will appear in front of you here. Just like I select this template, then the same template editor will open in front of you. So here it's already mentioned that if you want to download the one which is already created by default, then you can do it from here. Otherwise, you can click on Edit Template. When you click on Edit Template, then you can edit it as per your requirement. Then you can export it, its code, the images, or whatever content is there as per your requirement. You have to put it here and save and close it. After saving and closing, then you will see the HTML download button there, so you can download it from there. Okay, here you can directly export in different formats as well. Its three advantages are that you can provide its service here. See on Fiverr, it's the same thing. You have these 4 sites from here. You can create templates from here and provide services here as well. See, I will design and build an outstanding HTML email template. And here, in place of outstanding, you can put responsive HTML email template and provide whatever service you have here. Look here. Someone is making basic style designs for a certain amount of dollars, and then there's a standard package. So with this, you can offer 3 or 4 types of designs. In this, one is design, one is content in it, which is called copywriting. So you can do that as well. Also, there are emails done for e-commerce, making newsletters, etc. for e-commerce. So these services are also sold here, and you can provide that as well. So friends, that's all for this video, and if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe to my YouTube channel because many more videos related to email marketing and websites will keep coming. Subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching the video.